I've got a new LED garage light from KEHOT. It's 100 watts. It has 456 LED beads, which supply 10,000 lumens of light. It has a versatile design that allows you to move the panels out flat, like that, or at, you could do a 90-degree angle, or 45 degrees. So the panels give you a lot of versatility. Now, I suppose you could do some combination, have one side flat and the other side up. Take a look at the panels. Now it has just a regular socket, will fit into a standard E26 or E27. It's called a garage light, but you could use it anywhere that you need a really bright light. Storage room, basement, office, or industrial space. Now it is a little heavy. I mean, compared to just a light bulb, I think it's almost 2 pounds. So keep that in mind when you're placing it. I'm going to try this out. I'm debating whether to put it in the garage or the storage room, so we'll see. Here's a look at the box. It mentions the adjustable panels, easy installation. Well, you just screw it into a socket, so can't get any easier than that. Okay, there's the weight. I was wondering about that. It says 1.78 pounds, so I had thought it was just under 2 pounds. 85% energy saving, and the temperature of the light is 6,500 Kelvin, which is a white light similar to daylight. So I decided to try this light out in my storage room because it is badly in need of better lighting. Right now it has a 60 watt bulb, and I mean, you can see to get around in here, but it's often too dark to find what you're looking for, and really it needs to be reorganized. Better lighting is definitely needed for that. Okay, and this is with the KEHOT garage light. Much brighter. Not sure how well the camera picks it up, but it is very much brighter in here. So it's nice and bright. Now I can come in here and reorganize things and even read the labels. Be much easier to put things away and to find what I'm looking for. I'm trying to get the camera to focus on the light without the halo. There we go, looking straight up at the light. You can see all the LED beads. So that's a look at the KEHOT garage light. Great for your storage room, garage, office, warehouse, wherever. Thanks for watching.